Kasima hears every single morning when the trainers come in the morning, and that word is hello. Hello. Yeah, so you see he picks up the word pretty well. He happens to like the response he gets from it, so he tends to repeat it. Keep in mind they don't just pick up words, they also pick up random sounds as well. For example, a particular sound that Kasima heard an awful lot during the cold and flu season. Kasima, how's your cough? Now, of course, it sounds as though Kasima just got a cold, but it's simply, he is just mimicking the sound that he heard quite often. In fact, he'll often do it when one of us coughs as well. So you can see he likes the response as well. You might have noticed we do use a lot of positive reinforcement with our birds when we're training them. Verbal praise, sometimes, tasty treats, a lot of kind of things like that. The thing is, this bird has heard so much verbal praise, things like good boy, things like that he learned how to tell himself he's wonderful. Kasima, are you a good boy? Good boy. Yeah, apparently he's pretty wonderful there. He's learned how to tell himself he's just that great. I do want to take a moment, though, to point out the fact that we couldn't do any of the conservation work we do here at the Zoological Society of San Diego without your continued support. So I definitely want to make sure that we trainers thank you, and Kasima as well wants to thank you with a thank you kiss. That's a very nice kiss, isn't it? I'm not doing quite so until he clears up that whole.
I grabbed the kiss, I was like...
Kasima, you can do one more thing for us, hopefully, because we have a couple other things to show these folks. Why don't you tell everybody out there, bye.
Bye.
Very good, Kasima. That's not bad, right?
Very nice. How about a hand for Kasima and Leslie?